We are the live streaming, video editing, and production experts. Videoguys understands the gear we sell because we use the gear all the time. Our staff are videographers, live streamers, editors, filmmakers, and bloggers, just like you. We produce our own Videoguys live weekly from our own studio using the same gear we offer to you, and have even taken the studio on the road and remotely from our own homes. Social distancing requires live streaming. If you are a house of worship looking to keep in touch with your congregation and community, we have systems for small local parishes to large megachurches and everywhere in between. Schools, colleges, universities, and teachers all need to be prepared for distance learning, lecture capture, and multimedia presentations that stream online and in the classroom. Coaches, sports teams from local to D1, professional leagues, and even referees and athletes can use live production systems to reach their fans, analyze their athletes, or promote their programs. We can show you how live streaming lets you spread the word. From newbies, beginners, and prosumers all the way up to professional content creators, we can help you find hardware and/or software that best meets your needs and budget. Our staff is available Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, for you to call, email, or chat with. We can help you figure out anything from a basic getting started solution to a complex workflow involving multiple cameras and people collaborating. We offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and free phone support on all products we sell. Even better, we give you free standard shipping from our large on-hand inventory with expedited options also available. You can also use our customer loyalty coupon Insider5 to save 5% on your purchase.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.